I'm Yariel Gel from UTEP University, from the Mechanical Engineering Department. I'm a student for Professor Arif Furkan, and this is my project number 3 using Arduino coding and Thermistor. I'm going to be using a USB serial cable, my Arduino Uno, jumper cables, 10K ohm resistor, 2 LED thermistor, and my breadboard. I've placed my components, my LED, my thermistor, and my resistor right here, from the negative side to the positive side right here. I'm going to be placing my jumper cables in the connections of the ending of the two endings of the components right here. This is going into the ground, as you can see right here. This is going into the A0 analog N0, and this is going into the 5 volts power. I'm going to be placing my cables. This is going to the ground right here. This part is going into the 8, and this is going into the 9, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is my final product. All my connections are made, as you can see right here. 5 volts, ground, A0, ground, 9, 8, all going into my components right here. This is my coding for my Arduino circuit right here. We start with our thermistor pin, our Vout, our resistor of 10 kilo ohm, and right here we're gonna be using 80 as our temperature, because my room is quite cold. So yeah, and our delay of 500 millisecond, which is every half a second. These are my temperature readings on room temperature right here. As you can see, the green LED is on. If I apply heat to my thermistor right here, and these are my readings at red LED on. As you can see, it's cooling down because I'm not applying heat anymore. And these are my readings on the plot. If I apply heat to my thermistor, temperature goes up. This little component right here, known as the thermistor, is a resistive sensor. It works with resistance and temperature. As the resistance goes up, temperature goes down. As temperature goes up, resistance goes down. As they work inversely proportional to each other. The Arduino reads the voltage from the analog input, which is right here, A0, as you can see. And it converts that voltage into resistance. It then converts resistance to temperature, and that is how it displays temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius.